What if you could print real objects? Not ink, not paper. Actual things. He gestures. A shape begins forming in midair. That's me. I'm 3D printing. And I turn digital designs into physical reality. Here's the problem. Traditional manufacturing? Slow. Expensive. Complex. You need molds, machines, factories. And changing a design? That takes time. But I do it differently. I build objects, layer by layer, from the ground up. First, a digital model is created. A 3D design. Precise, detailed. Then I read that design and start printing, one thin layer at a time. Stacking, shaping, forming, until the object is complete. He watches as an object fully forms. No molds, no cutting, no waste, just creation. And I can use different materials. Plastic, resin, metal, even biological materials in advanced systems. That's the breakthrough. From idea to object. Fast, flexible, custom. That means custom prosthetics, rapid prototyping, on-demand parts, personalized products, even building houses in some cases. And here's the power. You can create things anywhere, without massive factories, without complex setups, just a design and a printer. I'm changing how we make things, from mass production to personal creation, from slow processes to instant manufacturing. I'm 3D printing, and I turn imagination into reality.